Hi, this is Susie. Today I picked up a few plants. This one here is a Senetti Pericallis. This one I've looked it up and it seems to like more cooler weather. So I'll probably leave it out on my porch for a while. And then when it gets real hot, I'll have to bring it inside. And this gets lots and lots of blooms. Very pretty. Very pretty flowers. Got loads of buds on it. It says the bigger the pot, the more buds it gets, and the bigger it gets. So we'll see how long this one lasts. And then I got some English daisies. These are pretty. These I can put out in my container garden. These, I believe, come back every year. Let's see what happens. English daisies. These are pretty. Very pretty flowers. So I'm slowly adding stuff to my container garden. Might take me a year or two, but I'm going to have that all filled up out there. Use what I can. I have an old wheelbarrow I'll be filling up with plants and lots of pots, and see what I can do out there. Make it look pretty. These are pretty. Love these. Purple. Thank you for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.